guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So we received a couple of questions with regards to the NFC card payments for Huawei Watch 4 Pro. So we thought we'll do a quick video just to show the issues that we came across and we did try all possible ways to add a card, bank card and so forth, and nothing works. So we thought we'll show everyone so they can see what happens when you try to upload a bank card. So here we go.
One of the most sought after features of these Huawei watches is to see if we can add a payment card, like a bank card, inside the Huawei wallet. Basically you can't. There isn't an option to let you do this, but there is a Huawei wallet in here, and it's worth showing you what happens when you try and add a card, or at least how the process should work. So inside all your applications here, you will have, let's just find Huawei wallet. So there's Huawei wallet. So if we go in there, it'll tell you to open the app on your device and add cards to it. So, and there's another option as well under settings, which I just want to show. If you go to settings and if you go to more connections, you can see there's NFC and it's enabled. So there is NFC in the watch. And then look, there's another option, default payment app. It's got wallet down there. And that is it. There is no other option. There's nothing else. And you can't do anything with it. So that's selected as default. So now if we go to the watch, just the phone, just like it asked us. So let's go into Huawei's app on the phone. So obviously this is an Android for Galaxy Fold 4. So if you go into the Huawei's Health app and try and see if we can add a payment and what happens. Oh, sorry. So this is the Huawei's Health app. It's a very good app, by the way, I find, at least. And then if you go into, there's options along the bottom here. So you go into devices, and then you can see in the middle there's music, there's app, gallery, and there's Huawei wallet. So here this is where you need to actually try and add if you can. So you go in there. So here you have the option of, it's got this loyalty cards add, and then it's got a plus here that you think you can add something different. So if I press on the plus, it's nothing else. It's just giving you the option of loyalty cards. And then it tells you add loyalty card. So if I do that, I'll just go back quickly one step. And if I were to press add here, it's the same thing. It brings you back to the same screen. So if you add a loyalty card, if you try and add a card, and we don't need the watch for this step. Basically what happens is, this is where you have to scan your card. But I think because loyalty cards have some kind of barcode, it's looking for a barcode. But obviously this doesn't have any barcode. This is a bank card. So you can see it's going to do nothing basically. And I've tried. It says to line it with this. Even if the finger wasn't there, basically, yeah, there's nothing to add. But what I did was I manually added it. Like I put the like he says, look, you can enter manually. So yeah, you can add a card manually by putting the card number in, company name, your name, and expiry date. But obviously a bank card works on the chip, an RFID chip. So obviously this one doesn't have the NFC thing that it activates. So yeah, you can add a card and it's just going to show up like a normal card here that says VIP card, and that's it. But it doesn't do anything. And it shows up on your phone as well. Maybe I can do an example of, say, let's just add something in. Put company name, say. Okay. Put expiry date in, like today's. Actually, let's put tomorrow's, next month. And then say done. You see, it's added a card. Okay, so we'll check something's happening on the watch. So basically on the phone, this is what you do. And you can see it's added a card. So now on the watch, if we go into wallet, see it's showing up that card we just created, and that's it. So it's got, you can tap on it. Obviously there's nothing to happen, and you got a QR code, which is the code you got there. It's got a mention of wallet. If I tap on wallet, I guess there's nothing to do here, nothing to tap, but it's just the wallet. If you go to about, it tells you about Huawei's user agreement, all sorts of things like your personal information will be collected, and you can disable the wallet here as well. That's it. But that's all there is you can do with this Huawei wallet thing. Can't add your bank card. And the other thing is quickly to show as well. I also tried, so I've really been trying hard to see if there's any way. I did another, inside the app gallery, there was the store card application there. So I tried downloading this to see if I can add anything. It says, look, add your card on the phone and synchronize to this watch. Again, it just allows you to add this sort of reward card sort of thing, loyalty card, but not a bank card. So that's really all there is to it. And depends, if I keep this watch, I may try and sideload, I don't know, the Curve app and see if I can do something with that. I don't know. That's gonna still be a difficult process to try out. I don't know if it invalidates the warranty, but I may, because I'm still undecided what to do with this watch. If I keep it, I may give it a try. But at the moment here, you can't, unfortunately, you can't load a card onto this, so there's no NFC payments support at all. Whether Huawei will release this in the future or not, we don't know. But it's definitely something that works in China, because they have all these options in the Chinese version. I guess the Huawei wallet has other functions, but not for Europe, and definitely here not in UK. So yeah, that's all. So here's another beautiful watch face. Every single watch face on this watch just looks so amazing. But this one, you can interact with it, all the star signs, and you can rotate using the crown. Can you see at the back, the star constellation will change according to the star sign. So, and so if I click on one of them, I think tap on one of those, you get to see a bit more of it. I can't do anything more with it, but it's very nice.
So guys, if you want us to try out any particular aspect of the watch, do comment down below and let us know, and we'll give it a go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.